Are you also facing the problem where you try to download an app from Google Play Store but it shows your device is not compatible with this version? Don't worry, this is a common issue and you can fix it easily by following a simple step. First, open phone settings and go to apps. Then click App Management. Then find Google Play Store. Then open Play Store. Then tap Storage and clear both cache and data. These steps helps remove temporary bugs that may be causing the compatibility error. Next, open Play Store and tap your profile icon. Go to Settings. Then click About and check if your Play Store is updated. If an update is available, make sure to install it. An outdated Play Store can often cause compatibility issue. After that, go back to your phone settings. Then search Software Update. Make sure your device is running to latest Android version. Many apps require update software, and if your phone is outdated, some apps may not be supported. If it is a problem still not fixed, you can consider resetting your phone at the last option. However, this is not always necessary, so try the previous step first. Finally, if nothing works and you really need that app, you can download an older version of the app from trusted source on the internet. Older version often support older device and can work without issue. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.